Hi mga Inday! Hello guys! Welcome to my gaming channel ulit. So guys, ay maglalaro tayo ng Toka-Boka! So guys, tara na! Tulog pa daw sila guys. Gusto natin ito guys. Umaga na. Umaga na pala. Kailangan ko na maligo kasi ang bantot ko na. Anong pwede kayong suotin? Eto na lang. Ay, patayin ko muna yung ilaw dito. Naligo na daw sila. Shampoo. Tapos, wait lang guys. Kukunin ko lang yung brush. Lang guys, magtitipos. Ano natin dyan. Lagay mo ng titipos. Mag-vlog.
Result ako nito.
Tapos na daw siya mag-toothbrush guys. Antayan niya daw pati yung ano niya guys, buko. Ayan, tuloy na yung buko.
Is the 17th President of the Republic of the Philippines. He was born on 13 September 1957. The second child and only son of the late President, Ferdinand Marcos Sr.
Maga na pala.
Marcos.
Nakaligo nga mo. Ay, kaya pwedeng suotin. Ay, may pasok pala ako sa computer. May pasok pala ako.
Ferdinand R. Marcos Sr. has achieved a distinguished career in
Naliligo na ako.
and has been in the public service for more than 25 years.
Ito.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming before you is our honor, His Excellency, President R. Marcos Jr., President, Republic of the Philippines, and Commander-in-Chief. He is accompanied by Vice Admiral Jose Ambrosio, U.S. Flag Officer in Command, Philippine Navy, and by the Troop Commander, Captain Marco E. Sandales, Philippine Navy, GSC.
Our honor is happy to be married to
Hindi na mga kapit, sakit yung sinubo. Asin siguro.
Alexander Marcos III, Joseph Simon, and William James.
Tapos na lang.